here's a little 347 small block Ford. Just got done on it. Everything went great. Description of this combination. We got your front end on it. Got a set of our cylinder heads on it. Got an Edelbrock air gap. Quick fuel 650 MSD Pro billet. Custom ground camshafts, hydraulic roller. And we'll take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500 is 403 foot-pounds. Looks like a peak torque 412. Peak horsepower 410s, a lot of 410s right there. Rated at 425, front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there and get it out to the car shop. I guess we're installing it in your beautiful Ford pickup truck. Nice piece. So look forward to getting around for you. Have a great day.